Something also you might notice if you're trying to hit the likeness or, you know, like achieve likeness with your reference is that the head might look weird. I would recommend you, I would recommend you to do that always, is to sculpt the hair, at least in a very, very rough blockout. So in this case, for example, what you could do if you don't have this yet, what you could do, for example, is just grab a sphere, scale it down and bring it up, and then put it there like this. And then you can use this to sculpt the hairstyle. I would recommend that you do this. You can see I made a mistake because I didn't apply the transformations. I also didn't apply the remesh because I am a noob. And then in scope mode, you can see we can sculpt the hair. Characters are very defined by the hairstyle, especially anime characters. If you want to do an experiment, you can just take any especially female anime character, and just try to draw only the head, not the hair, without the hair. Just draw like an outline around the head. You can see oftentimes that the forehead is like massive and the hair kind of just basically hides it. And somehow the hair being massive, like high, doesn't look as weird as if it's just a bald head. So having a hair blockout oftentimes helps with seeing the likeness in your 3D model as well. So whenever you do this, I would also recommend you create a very rough version of your character's hair like this, for example. Just a very rough version, just so that the ginormous forehead is hidden underneath the beautiful hair blockout.